Mag ik YouTube aan? Dan praat ik Engels.
Ja.
Is YouTube aan? Oh ja. Oops, my bad.
So happened pretty quickly. She. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. There we go. Everyone's slowly coming in. This one isn't working again. My days. Boy. Start this one. That should work. There we go. Isn't there a problem with the US? Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
Inflation. That's cold as heck.
I'm waiting for price.
4%, yeah.
Come back down over here, retest it, and continue down because we had the support resistance created, broke out, support created, and now it looks like we're breaking down again. So then I'm going to be looking for sells once we come back, retest this area, and then I'm going to try and enter over here. Continue moving towards 4 hour levels, maybe over here. Good amount of pips, I think. Here to here, it's around 100, 107. So we're gonna probably take partials over here at 30, 30, 30, 25, around that, and let the rest continue. Let's take a look at GU. GU broke below the zone, kept on continuing down. Wish I had sells over here, but we didn't. Already dropped like 240, 250 pips. That's mad. It's a mad thing. It's respecting our zone. Pin bar over here. If I want to enter, probably gonna wait for one more tap, or I'm gonna wait for sells around this area over here where we broke the equal lows. So let's see. GJ, trying to retap into the previous zone. We're gonna redo these analysis in GJ in a minute. Don't like them anymore. So let's remove them. Let's start again. Still having that alert over there. Just to believe the alert valid. This one over here is good as well. So, see on the monthly time frame, we closed bullish with the previous monthly candle. We are nearly approaching half this month, so there's a chance that we might start turning bullish very soon if price wants to go back up and fill this wick to the top at 58. And otherwise we could go down a little further towards this area here, 151, 300, around that. That's a pretty good level. What we're going to be looking at. We already tapped the ends of the previous candle we were pushed away from, so let's see. Let's see what happens if we look a little closer. Could be on some over here in the weekly time frame. So hopefully we get a tap a little bit deeper, or a daily rejection candle or whatever. Daily could also close around that 52 area, somewhere over here. But I prefer price tapping this area over here and rejecting away from it. The daily time frame. You can see on the daily time frame we're making very nice lower lows, lower highs from this top level. So we pushed out, we pushed away. We had this downtrend over here, and you can see where the momentum is, right? You can see where the momentum is. You have a strong push coming up, and you can see how long it took for price to eventually drop down towards this level. It took a lot longer, and we ranged a longer amount of time inside this area. So pretty much the range started from over here, and over here was the push up, and then we started pushing down from here, respecting the zone. You can see we're respecting these lows over here. And this push up did it in a very small amount of time. Push down was also fast, but you could see how much faster this push up was. The overall daily bias is bullish for me, so I'm going to be looking for buys, but I do want to get those buys a little bit deeper down. One thing that is showing right now is a bullish engulfment, so we might be looking for buys next week if we get a retest. That would be a pretty good thing to do. You're raising looking class. You know the thing, Antonio. For some reason my camera isn't working. That's shit. Let me do this. Oh no, it is. Yes, there we go. Yo. What about gold? We're gonna look at that in a second. We're still in those cells. Didn't get tapped out. That was 2 pips away. So still holding on. Hopefully we can make it down towards that 34 area, and I'll be securing probably my profits. But yeah, I would be looking for around this this area for buys, maybe over here or maybe a little bit lower. This area somewhere over here. Based on the weekly time frame, because we see where the structure broke on the weekly, broke out right there. Monthly time frame, we had over here at the same spot. We also had that full engulfment, which created a small order block. So go to the 4-hour time frame. We can see that the 4-hour also already gave a pin bar for an entry. So once this candle started going up and flipping back on the highs, was a possible entry for buys. Right now the range it's creating over here, it's really slowing down. You see the momentum we have over here, and it's really slowing down. So we'll see one more tap and then try and get continuation. I would say it's not impossible for price to go deeper, so let's see. Make some zones in the 4-hour time frame. We can see where you're rejecting away from this area over here. We have a previous resistance, previous support resistance over here. In the 4-hour time frame where our alert is standing. So also where we're going to be looking for a little